What's going on, guys? This is Aaron. Kind of a question, maybe, like a what if scenario. As most of you know, we're just under 2 weeks from taking this kit to go get put on, this wide body kit, the fenders, front and back, naturally. But my question is I've realized this right here is a little bummy, and that's going to be a lot of body work from a body guy. Now, what I was thinking of doing, because it just came to my attention, I won't call him a buddy, but an acquaintance called Cody, or his name's Cody. He goes by Arch Slave on Instagram. Has a YouTube channel called Texas E36. Garage. I think he took the garage out. It's just Texas E36 now. But what he did, let's see if I can brighten this up. But what he did is this line right here on his E36, he cut it, the fender right here, pushed this whole section in, and then he did vents right there. So he has felony form over fenders on his E36, and this whole bottom section right here is vents, and he's running side skirt extensions along the side of the car. I'm going to show you a picture, that way you can see what I'm talking about. But that is something I am heavily considering, because I think that would look incredibly sick. Personally, I think it would look really good on this car, because my whole thing right now is aggressiveness. And I don't want to pay money to have that fixed on that, if I'm just going to wind up doing this anyways, if that makes sense. So it's just something to consider. And then also, I did have a question about my short that I uploaded. Somebody was like, hey, what is this, and can you explain what it does? So earlier I uploaded some spacers on a YouTube short. I'm going to try to, if I can focus this right here. It'll let me. Oh, it's not letting me. But either way, right here, this little chrome ring, that's a 20 mil spacer. And what I shared yesterday is a 50 mil spacer. That's what those are. So whenever I put the wide body kit on, it's going to help move these tires out to meet with these fenders. That's what they're That's what they're for. That's their entire purpose, is to bring the wheel out for a little bit better fitment. But as a whole, right now, I'm strongly considering doing the fender cut. It's going to be more money. It's going to put off paint by another month, because it would take money from the paint fund to get this painted, or to get the fender cuts and stuff done, and then we'd have to come back and paint everything. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Should I just spend the money, have this body worked and paint matched, or should we go a little bit more aggressive and do that? Because we already have vents here, carbon hood, carbon trunk, wide wheels, so we're doing crazy shit already. But let me know what you guys think. See you guys on the next one.